Why does a speed make objects more dangerous? In this video, we will discover how kinetic energy explains motion, collision, and real-life physics using one powerful formula. So ensure you watch the video to the end to get the full gist. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I come across this channel. Here we make mathematics, statistics, and physics easy. So feel free to click on the subscribe button to join the learning community. In today's video, we're talking on kinetic energy. Kinetic energy can be defined as energy possessed by a body in motion. So if you have a car, I know you guys will be thinking, I always like using a car for an illustration. Yes, I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer in the making. So I love cars. So if you have a car, don't mind the drawing, please. And this car has mass. Yes, obviously everything has mass because it's matter. So this car has mass and it moves with a velocity, right? The kinetic energy possessed by this car is, so our Ke is equals to mv square over 2, meaning the mass times the square of the velocity divided by 2. Normally in this channel we make this easier for the students, so I'll give you the SI units for kinetic energy. And also if you want to learn the SI units and the dimensions of other physical quantities, I would love it if you guys watch the video displayed on the screen right now, because in this particular video I showed you guys how to derive the dimensions of the basic physical quantities. So let's write on. So now the unit, or better still the SI unit of kinetic energy is equals to joules, because the SI unit for energy is joules, so obviously kinetic energy is also joules. Now let's solve few examples so you can learn how to implement this formula. This formula might be looking easy, but if you make a mistake in implementing it, you get a wrong answer. Now let's solve. Okay, we have our first example here. Before you solve any physics problem, always use the guess method. I taught that in this video displayed on the screen right now. The guess method you have to use in solving all physics problems easily. So now let's use it and solve this problem. So for our guess method, what do we have? We have that first step given, G. We have our given. What do we have? They said, how much kinetic energy does a car have if it has a mass of 1900 kilogram? So mass equals to 1900 kilogram and a velocity of 15 meter per second. So velocity equals to what? 15 meter per second. Kinetic energy equals to mv square over 2, which is equals to 1900 times 15 square, velocity square, all over 2. Now this is the trick. If you're solving for kinetic energy questions, always square the velocity first before you punch the rest together, so you won't get different answers from your pairs. So 15 square is 225. So we have 1900 times 225 all over 2. If you punch this, our kinetic energy equals to, so if you punch this, you get a kinetic energy as 213,750 joules. Now let's go over to the second question. So for my second question, we have what? Given. Don't forget the guess method of solving all physics problem. Always apply your parameters. Say we have a mass m of 1.75 kilogram, right? And a velocity of 32.8 meter per second. So v equals to 32.8 meter per second. You should find the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy Ke equals to mv square over 2, right? Which is m is what? 1.75 times v is what? 32.8 all squared all over 2. The same thing, always square your velocity first. So if you punch 32.8 squared, we have that 32.8 squared is equals to 1075.84. So we have 1 point, sorry, we have 1.75 times 1075.84. So 1075 0.84 all over 2. So if you point this, our kinetic energy finally is equals to, will give us 941.36 joules. So this is how you solve any problem involving kinetic energy. Don't forget, kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body in motion. On our next video, we'll talk on potential energy, which is the energy possessed by a body at rest. So if you know this video was helpful for you and you understand the basics of kinetic energy, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss that on potential energy. And also, like these videos can be pushed to others so they can also learn and enjoy physics. Thanks for watching this video and see you on my next video. Bye.